Honorable Ministers, distinguished leaders, respected partners and dear friends, it is a privilege to join you at Advantage Vidarbha 2026, a platform that brings together visionary minds, shaping the future not just of Vidarbha, not just of Maharashtra, but of India itself. Before we speak of the future, it is important to remember what Vidarbha has always represented. The very name Vidarbha, rooted in ancient Sanskrit, signifies purity, refinement, and sacred strength, derived from V, meaning unique, and Darba, the resilient sacred grass. Across our oldest civilizational texts, Vidarbha is celebrated as a land of exceptional craftsmanship, cultural depth, wisdom, and courage. It is the land of Rukmini, the realm of the ancient Vidarbha kings, and a region long known as the confluence of Sabhyata, Gyan, or Sanskriti. From the teachings of Tukdoji Maharaj to the reformist movements that shaped modern Maharashtra, Vidarbha has continuously strengthened India's moral and intellectual foundations. Its administrative significance has been equally profound. Nagpur, once the capital of the central provinces and Berar, and today the winter capital of Maharashtra, has evolved from a historic administrative center into a rising hub of industry, innovation, and connectivity. Standing at the geographical heart of India, Nagpur, renowned for its urban planning, educational institutions, and scientific outlook, has emerged as a leader in logistics, aviation, and technology, modernizing without ever losing its identity. I firmly believe that Vidarbha, true to the meaning of its name as a land of strength and uniqueness, is ready to transform its rich heritage into renewed economic and cultural power. With the right infrastructure, leadership, and partnerships, this region can re-emerge as a center of learning, commerce, and national growth. The momentum that we see today is no accident. It is the outcome of leaders who have invested their political capital, administrative vision, and personal conviction in unlocking Vidarbha's potential. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji Modi has championed inclusive development, ensuring that regions rich in talent and resources like Vidarbha stand at the forefront of India's growth story. His focus on infrastructure, logistics, and clean energy has created an environment where investments can thrive. Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, a proud son of Vidarbha, has transformed connectivity across India. For him, infrastructure is not just engineering, it is nation building. His highways, expressways, and logistics corridors are the arteries of India's economic vitality, reflecting the same ethos of service and purpose embodied by Tukdoji Maharaj. Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji has been a steadfast advocate for balanced regional development. His constant efforts to prioritize Vidarbha have shaped this moment of opportunity that we are all witnessing. Together, this leadership has ensured that Vidarbha is no longer defined merely by potential, but by progress. Our presence in Vidarbha is not transactional. It is generational. We are here to build energy security, create high-quality jobs, uplift communities, and strengthen India's economic foundations. Our investments here align with three national priorities. Number one, powering India's clean and reliable energy future. Number two, developing integrated industrial and logistics ecosystems. And number three, enabling inclusive growth for communities and the youth. This is the development philosophy envisioned by my father, our chairman, and it is a responsibility that we carry forward with sincerity and pride. Vidarbha today stands at the core of India's energy story. At Tiroda, Adani Power operates Maharashtra's largest and most advanced 3,300 megawatt supercritical power plant, built to the highest global standards of efficiency and environmental responsibility. In 2025, we revived the 600 megawatt Butibori power plant, demonstrating our commitment to resolving stressed assets and strengthening India's power infrastructure. Through a 25-year supply agreement, we now ensure 6,600 megawatts of dependable electricity for Maharashtra, combining unparalleled solar generation from Khavda with robust thermal baseload capacity. This is the backbone supporting Maharashtra's industries, its cities, and its digital economy. One of our most transformative commitments is the 70,000 crore integrated coal gasification and downstream derivatives complex at Linga. This project will create 30,000 direct jobs, build advanced chemical manufacturing capabilities, boost energy independence for critical industries, but most importantly, place Nagpur firmly on the global map of clean energy technologies. This is not just an industrial venture, it is a new platform for national self-reliance. In Gonkari, our underground mine represents the gold standard of responsible mining, with minimal land use, zero displacement, no blasting, rainwater harvesting, zero effluent discharge, and a 5,000 tree plantation initiative. This mining is rooted in responsibility, technology, and community-first thinking. We are also strengthening Vidarbha's role as a logistics gateway through our 75-acre ICD at Borkhedi and the acquisition of 24 border checkposts across Maharashtra. These assets reduce freight costs, boost exports, and improve global competitiveness for thousands of businesses. In aviation and defense, our acquisition of Indemar Technics has expanded our 30-acre MRO complex at Mihan with 15 aircraft bays, FAA and DGCA certifications, and integration with the Airworks global network. Nagpur is rapidly emerging as an international center for aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul. Alongside infrastructure, we remain extremely deeply committed to community development. Across Gondia and Nagpur, the Adani Foundation is supporting primary healthcare, education, and women's empowerment through 43 self-help groups, the Fortune Suportion Nutrition Program, and initiatives in solar lighting, clean water, sports, and school development. This is growth built on dignity, inclusion, and compassion. Sustainability is at the heart of our agenda. Tiroda follows zero water discharge practices. Fly ash is repurposed for cement, bricks, and agriculture. And we are advancing towards our pledge of planting 100 million trees by 2030. Adani Energy Solutions is on track to achieve 60% renewable sourcing by 2027. Vidarbha today shows how progress and sustainability can and must rise together. As I look ahead, I see Vidarbha not merely as a region of Maharashtra, but as a region that will help define India's growth story for decades to come. True to its name, strong, unique, and sacred, Vidarbha is ready to lead. The nation's leadership has laid the foundation. The people of Vidarbha bring the energy, creativity, and ambition. And the Adani Group stands ready as a long-term partner. Together, we will build an era of opportunity, resilience, and prosperity, one that inspires the entire country. This is our promise. This is our purpose. And this is the Vidarbha that we will build together. Thank you. Jai Hind.